Hey guys, how are you? If you are new on my YouTube channel David Tech, then please subscribe my channel and share it with your friends. So basically in this video I am going to tell you about the Workday. So let's start our video. So here should basically Workday, you can see it here. So basically we see at the top of the screen, then we see it product, industries, customers, learn, company. So basically different options are given here. So you can see it here contact sales search, both options are also given here. So basically if you want to contact the seller, then you have to click on this option. Experience how the future work at Workday Rising September 26, 29, 2023. So register today option is also given here. So basically if you want to register, then you have to click on that option. Powering the future of work with AI, change happens fast and ERP can't keep up. Only Workday put AI at the core of an open and predictive system, so you can make confident decisions, faster drive flawless business and financial operations, and empower your people for maximum performance. Why we are different? You can see it. A view demo is also given here. So basically, if you want to watch a demo, then you will click on this option. So here should basically best in class application for finance, HR, and more. Enterprise management cloud. Move forward faster with collaborative, continuous planning, workday adaptive planning, embedded AI for maximum performance, artificial intelligence. So here should basically who succeed with us, change making customers game changing result. See all stories option is also given here. So you can see it here. PwC utilized machine learning to advance skills, faring pharmaceuticals, 63% increase in talent marketplace gigs over 8 months. Cushman and Wakefield increased growth and efficiency with actionable data, and KeyBank expanded footprint to states through digital transformation. So you can see it. Watch video option is also given at the bottom of that. So basically, if you want to watch demo, or you can see it, see story option is also given here. So if you want to see story or watch a demo, then you have to click on these options. So here should basically what we do, we help you solve your greatest business challenges. Be ready for what comes next. As your business need change, you need to be able to pivot fast, or adaptable architecture helps you to do just that. Empower decisions at every level with one source for financial people and operational data. Everything can access real time insight to make sound decision. A technology foundation you can trust. We never stop innovating, and you can count on us to deliver technology that fuels your growth and keeps your data safe. So here should basically amplify your team's performance with AI. Organizations that use AI to map the skill of their workplace will be positioned to identify and train their employees for the jobs of tomorrow. The future of work is here, and Workday is leading the way with ethical AI that puts people first. So basically, you can see it. Learn more option is also given here. So basically, if you want to learn more, then you click on that option. So here should basically why partner with us, a proven leader in finance and HR time and time again. Gartner, a leader in 2022, Gartner Magic Quadrant for Cloud ERP for service-centric enterprises. Gartner, a leader in 2022, Gartner Magic Quadrant for Cloud HCM suite. So you can see it. Read report option are also given here. So basically, if you want to read a report, then you have to click on that option. What we are about. So you can see it here. We are shaking up the world of enterprise software. We are doing right by our employers, customers, and community. We are building a company that's one of the best places to work. So you can see it here, ready to talk, get in touch with us. So you can see it, talk to sales option is also given here. So basically, if you want to talk a seller, then you have to click on this option. So you can see it here, Workday products. You can see it for finance, for HR, for planning platform, why Workday Enterprise Management Cloud, customer experience partners, industries, financial services, healthcare, higher education, professional and business services, public sector, retail, technology. See more industries. You can see it, customer stories, events, webinars, demos, resource library, education and training, blog, company about Workday, corporate responsibility, investor relations, newsroom, careers, login, help. So basically different options are given here. So if you like my video, then please subscribe it and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching this video.